people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm going to be doing an ASMR, but I'm going to be doing a bee sound. So I'm just going to do buzzing, and that will be it. Okay, so let's do this video because I still have more videos to do. So hopefully I'll get these vlogs done, and when I finish them, y'all can get to have a chance to watch them. Okay, so hope you guys will enjoy this ASMR video, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Okay, and this video is for everybody who's interested. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's see how this vlog goes. Okay. Let me know if you guys feel relaxed with this buzzing sound. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this buzzing like a bee sound. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys get something out of this. I wanted to do something more different and stuff like that, so why not, you know? So I cannot wait to